Let's talk about sneezing. You think it's just a sneeze? A harmless ACHOO? No, it's a full-body betrayal wrapped in mucus and violence. First of all, did you know that when you sneeze, your body momentarily forgets you exist? Your heart skips a beat, your eyes close, and your brain does a hard reset like a microwave after a power surge. That's not hygiene. That's internal sabotage. Now here's the nastiest part. Sneezes travel up to 93 miles per hour. That's faster than a mildly terrified goose. And they can launch particles up to 27 feet. That's right, you're basically crop dusting your entire zip code. And covering it? Please. That does nothing. Sneezes are crafty. You cover your mouth, it shoots out your nose. You block your nose, it goes out your ears. You try both, and suddenly your knees sneeze. I once saw a guy try to sneeze into his shirt. His sleeves fluttered like haunted curtains, and everyone at brunch cried. And you think sneezing is polite? Have you ever sneezed in a quiet room? It's a declaration of war. It's your body saying, I don't care about the meeting, Kevin. I need this out. And the worst part? You never sneeze just once. It's always a trilogy. An unwanted concert of bodily explosions that ends with someone handing you a tissue, like it's a peace treaty. If your nostrils have ever betrayed you in public, slam that like button like a sneeze through a kazoo, and subscribe before your next one gets ideas.